So we just got another one. Okay. Alright, what's up guys? GBL back at you with another one. So we got 2 pairs of shoes in today. My other video for my Air Jordan 3 Retro 2 Blue should be up by now. But today I got the Air Jordan Retro 2 Chicago color. So same story, I had to go to the post office because they're incompetent in dropping it off at my door. I live in a condo, so I really can't, know when they're gonna come. I leave them instructions, they never read it. But I'm glad this thing is here. I just got this thing authentic checked by eBay. I waited 2 weeks for it. I got these on a steal, it was like 200 bucks when they're retailing for like 600 right now on StockX. So yeah, pretty good, pretty happy, excited. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, a little bit about the Air Jordan Retro 2. They're kind of like the hidden gem. Like, not a lot of people mess with these because they're not really a popular Jordan, but I frankly like them. It's I've never owned a part, but if I'm gonna buy a pair of Jordan, it's gonna be the OG colorway, right? And yeah, meet your soulmates. Don't forget Dinky's knife. I'm gonna start selling some of these. I'm gonna literally put Dinky and just sell it. If you guys don't know, Dinky is my car channel. I call it Dinky's Garage. Go check it out. But anyways, let's get into this little Jordan unboxing slash retrospect. Okay, so here we go. Here's the box, as you can see. Here's the sizing right there. So let's see, size 11. Now I don't know how these fit. Hopefully they fit your size, but we'll find out. Okay, so I'm opening these up, and man, they look pretty good. Not even gonna lie. Okay, so here's the first look at them. Well, that should be nice. So open up the box. So we have this pamphlet here of the Jordans. So what is this saying? So basically, it comes with this little booklet here explaining to you like all the soles and stuff, like the materials and stuff. And a little quick backstory about these shoes. So due to the success of the Air Jordan 1s, Nike wanted to do something luxurious based on Michael Jordan's taste because he had a thing for Italian leather. I'm sure you hear a lot of rappers say that. And so, interesting enough, these shoes were made in Milano. I'm Italian, so Milano, I call it Milan. And they're really high quality materials. I'm just looking at it right now. Okay. But anyways, let's get into the shoe. First things first. But that's a little backstory. But I don't know why Michael Jordan didn't really like these. I guess they flopped. But anyways, so let's take a look. So on the lateral side, you got white tumbled leather. And here's the eBay authentic tag, so you know they're legit. On the back end, you got this mudguard plastic red thing here. And you got the Nike embossed logo right there, as you can see. And same thing with this side. Got a black outsole. It's made of rubberized plastic. The air bubbles inside, as you can see, so not seeable. And here's the outsole. Nice again, the Chicago colorway, red, white, black. Here's the Jumpman over there. And I don't know if you can see the inside of the shoe. Right there, Nike Air Jordan size 11. And just by like looking at them and touching them, they are nice quality. Remember, these came out in 87, right? 86, 87, around that time. And unfortunately, this shoe, Michael Jordan did not like. He almost left Nike because of it. But I'm glad Tinker Hatfield came on the game and redesigned the whole shoe game. And he's a beloved shoe artist that we know today. Tinker Hatfield, if you ever see this, man, thank you for blessing us with such iconic sneakers. I know you didn't design this one, but your lineage will live on forever in the sneaker culture and the sneaker world. But yeah, I'm really happy with these shoes. And I can't really say that I'm not impressed. I am impressed with the quality. Quick backstory, I did get these used. The guy wore them once or twice, and I copped them. They're pretty clean. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna say, oh, he bought used shoes, but if you guys really think about it, why would I go spend $1,000 for these when I can buy them for $200 on eBay and they're not even that bad? Like I like wearing my Jordans. I don't just like stacking them and putting them on the side unless they're like a one of one pair. Like I don't know, like the Air Jordan Carhartts or for Eminem. Like any Jordan of relevance like that is worth collecting. I would never wear it. It's in my collection. The Air Yeezy 2, you know, stuff like that. Iconic sneakers. Stuff like this, you know, I don't want to spend $1,000 because that $1,000 I can go buy another pair of shoes and do another review, keep pumping out my content, right? And I love wearing them, so that's my process of buying shoes now. I used to buy them brand new, but you know, like I gotta buy equipment, I gotta buy other stuff, and I'm very into fashion, so I like keeping my budget reasonable. So, you know, don't ever fret about used sneakers. They're not too bad. You know, if you always put them in the wash or something, you can disinfect them if you're that type of person. But these are clean, man. There's nothing wrong with them. There's no stains, nothing as I can see. I'm just happy I get to own an OG colorway. These were the 2018 or 2020 release. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with these Jordans. I just go online, I look at the colorway, and then I buy the latest one. Like my True Blues in my other video I bought, they were 2016 release, so, you know, but yeah. So basically the shoe is pretty good. I'm gonna have it on feet on this video soon, so stay tuned for that. But in terms of the shoe, I'm pretty happy with my, you know, my purchase. But anyways guys, let's hop into the on feet and we'll go from there, right? Hey, okay, we're back. Here's the on feet for the Jordan Retro 2s. I switched up my background because I want to show you I have other pairs of shoes here that I'm going to be reviewing, so stay tuned for more on this channel. Give you an example. You know, I got the Cement 3s, you know, I should be showing you these shoes, but I'm just giving you a description of what's to come. I have a lot of shoes, that's just not even, that's a fraction of what I gotta show you. Okay, so, back to the fit. So, as I said in my previous video, I really rock a monochromatic fit. You know, black shirt, black pants, and you got the Jordans. You can tuck your socks in, but it's entirely up to you. And if you guys don't notice, this is my brand, G7 Trends. I have a clothing line that I'm working on. Well, I haven't been working on it because I've been busy, but I'm gonna drop some merch soon, so stay tuned. But these pants are really comfortable. So here's the on feet. Here's a shot of the shoe. Right there, smooth leather. You know, here's the other side. It's not bad. You know, really comfortable. I don't know why Michael Jordan didn't like them. To me, they're comfortable, but I guess when you're a professional basketball player, you have different standards. But for me, honestly, these were made in Milano. As you can see, if you know the Jordan history, that's where the designer made them because of Michael Jordan's love for exotic fashion. So, where would you go if you want exotic? Italy, Milan, Paris, France, wherever you want to go. But this is just a rundown of the shoe. Now, it's really clean. I like how it looks on feet. It's just a really basic fit. And I really like the fact that these are clean. You can wear them with black, red. You know, try to match your outfit to the shoe, because if you're wearing a red shirt, blue pants, and these, you're gonna look stupid. So don't even bother. And another tip, if you're gonna wear a wacky outfit, try to keep your shoes as basic as possible. Like if you're gonna wear like a tie-dye shirt with white jeans, wear like something plain, like white Air Force Ones or something basic. You don't want to look like a walking billboard when you go out in public, because I've seen some styles out there and fashion can be crazy. I'm not hating on anybody with their own fashion sense, but I've seen some really bad styles, but people don't understand it. Either they don't know or they just don't give a crap, which is fine. That's mostly the attitude that people have with their fashion, right? But you know, you got guys like me trying to help you, trying to make things better, right? But that's it, man. Yeah, so that's the on feet of this video. Not bad, not bad. Pretty comfortable. But yeah, so let's get into the final cut of the video. Okay, we made it to the end of the video. Thanks, guys. Okay, so this will conclude my review for the Air Jordan Retro 2 Chicago colorway. Let's do one more 360 view. Stuff. There. Pieces. So yeah, you guys have an idea now of basically what this shoe can do. It's very comfortable. I highly recommend it if you can find it for a good price. I always put in my videos that, you know, it's always a good idea to get shoes on sale because things, you know, we're dealing with a crisis, inflation. I know things can get expensive, so I'm not telling you to go spend $1,000 on shoes. I'm not telling you to basically do anything of the matter. What I'm telling you is, don't be too sketched out when you buy joints like these for like 200 bucks. I literally bought these for 200, and you know Jordans are expensive, $400 or $500. Now, if you're some rich guy and you don't really give a crap about money, yeah, go spend $1,000, no problem. But what I guys want you to understand is, if you're really into fashion but you just have a budget, look for pre-owned, man. But make sure they're good pre-owned. Like, I can't stress the fact enough. Like, don't worry about the flex. Like, nobody's gonna tell you if your shoes are brand new or they're garbage. Like, I feel people have it like, if it's used that it's garbage. No, this pre-owned stuff is not bad as long as it's been taken care of. And I find it to be cheaper than basically spending retail. I'm a thrifter. I go to thrift shops. I buy a bunch of stuff kind of thing. So, I mean, you know, it's not really bad to buy used stuff, gently used stuff. Don't buy, like, if these were trashed and rips and stains, don't even buy those because those are a waste of money. That's insane. Speaking of that, I literally saw a pair of these and they were all trashed, ripped, and the guy wanted $500 for them. I'm like, I'm not gonna spend $500 for them. I don't care if they came out in 88, 87. Like, if it's an OG colorway, like something worth it, then yeah, maybe I'll restore it. But honestly, this shoe's clean, no creases, and it's got that nice leather smell. And honestly, I love it. But like I said, guys, don't put too much pressure on trying to look good, trying to fit in. You know, just be yourself and rock what you want. That's what I'm trying to express. That's the point of these videos. Be who you want to be. Forget what they say. Don't follow the trends. Don't give a crap what people say. I mean, don't go out like looking like a billboard where you're wearing a bunch of colors and that doesn't look good. That's a different. But honestly, keep your style basic, clean, and you got some nice fresh white kicks and Jordans that would never go out of style. I'm sad that these are underrated, but these are probably one of the comfiest Jordans I've ever worn. So with that, guys, this concludes my video. I thank you for everything. Stay tuned because a lot more sneaker content is coming. Anyways, guys, peace out.